Makeup tutorial.
Start off by doing your brows. Put on primer. And then while primer is setting, shape your brows with some concealer. Blend the concealer out a bit, then onto foundation. Blend, 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 but don't put foundation under your eyes. Put concealer under your eyes. I use a light one, and then an even lighter one. I like a bright under eye moment here. Oh, and I also put some on my lids. Set the concealer, then put on some bronzer. I use bronzer to do my nose contour. And with the same bronzer, I also put some on my lid to make a cut crease floor. Again, back to the concealer for the last time to cut out my cut crease. I also added some yellow shimmer on my lids. Brush off excess powder, add blush, mascara, and then eyeliner. Put lashes on. If you're struggling to put them on, I have a tutorial on how to put on lashes in my makeup playlist. I personally like a lot of highlighter, but you can apply your desired amount. Just to your lips, then ta-da, done. Thank you for watching.